Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to generate thumbnails for YouTube using Gemini app. YouTube thumbnails are key to clicks and Gemini can help you design them fast. Now first of all, go to the App Store and then update the Gemini app to the latest version. And once it's updated, launch the Gemini app and then tap the create button. Now choose generate image with AI first of all, and then what you're gonna do is type something like create a bold YouTube thumbnail for a tech tutorial, use neon text, big laptop graphic and a clean background. Just type something like this, and
here's a bold
once
YouTube
you're
thumbnail
done typing,
for an attack tutorial featuring neon
launch
text,
it, and
a big
then
laptop
Gemini
graphic,
will
and a
start
clean background.
creating it. And there you go. Now ask Gemini to make it bright, clickable, and generate it in 16:9 ratio, and then bold colors, no watermark. Now tap image and download the photo to your gallery, and it will be saved in your gallery, and then upload it directly as your YouTube video thumbnail in this YouTube Studio app. Safety tip: always keep text short and readable. Too much text on thumbnail hurts clicks. And quick fix: if Gemini outputs if Gemini outputs slow res images, add high resolution to your prompt and upscale the design for free apps like Canva before uploading. And that's it. Subscribe for more.